So in my last video, I talked about leaky gut starting a lot of times in the stomach because people are on antacids. So antacids actually do work if you have acid reflux. But the problem is, you know what? You have acid reflux because you're not digesting your food properly. So your stomach should maybe 2 to 3 hours, depending on what you ate. If it was a high fat meal, should empty quickly. You have something in there called hydrochloric acid and pepsin. It's like a washing machine. If you put too many towels in there and don't fill that washing machine all the way up with water, it's just going to sit there and kind of go, right? And then in the stomach, what happens is it starts to ferment and it comes up into the esophageal area and you start to get the heartburn, right? The heartburn's not fun. It's not fun. And so you take an antacid. Well, pretty soon you're doing this all the time. And next thing you know, you're on a antacid over the counter, and then you're on a prescription antacid. What happens then is this food leaves the stomach undigested. It's terribly hard on your small intestine. When it reaches the small intestine, it doesn't trigger your gallbladder to make bile. It doesn't trigger your liver to make bile. It doesn't trigger your pancreas to make pancreatic enzymes. And now it's traveling down this 22 feet of small intestine and damaging your wall of your intestine. So this undigested food gets into the bloodstream and creates havoc and inflammation. Start with the stomach. So stay tuned for my next video. Bye for now.